Have you ever wondered how the stock market works? How the invisible hand of the economy moves millions, if not billions of dollars around the globe? Well, today we're going to journey into the fascinating world of stocks, shares, and equities. Imagine you're in a bustling marketplace, where instead of buying and selling goods like fruits or clothes, people are trading ownership in companies. This, in essence, is what we refer to as the stock market. It's a dynamic, complex ecosystem where shares or slices of a company are bought, sold, and traded. Now let's delve a little deeper. You might have heard the terms equity market and share market used interchangeably with stock market. They may seem different, but they're really just different names for the same thing. In the equity market, equity represents ownership interest in a company. It's like owning a piece of the pie. When you own equity or shares in a business, you essentially own a part of that business. You're entitled to a share of the profits, and you may even have a say in how the business is run. On the other hand, the share market is where these pieces of pie or shares are bought and sold. It's where investors come together to trade shares publicly. Some of these shares are listed on public stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange. Others are traded privately, often through equity crowdfunding platforms. Investing in the stock market isn't like betting on a horse race. It's a strategic game where investors aim to buy low and sell high. They study market trends, company performance, and economic indicators to decide when to buy and sell shares. The goal? To make a profit, of course. Now let's recap what we've learned today. The stock market, also known as the equity or share market, is a marketplace for trading ownership in companies. Shares represent pieces of these companies, and when you own shares, you own a part of the business. These shares can be listed on public stock exchanges or traded privately, and investing in the stock market is a strategic game with the goal of making a profit. So the next time you hear about the stock market on the news, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. You'll understand the ebb and flow of the market, the strategic game of buying and selling, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be inspired to join the game yourself. After all, the stock market is not just for Wall Street tycoons. It's a marketplace open for everyone. And who knows, it might just be the place where you make your fortune.